Damson Newby already produced the small two-horse Peanuts, and Grand Dam Joyce stood at the basis of Grand Prix horses Fontango B and Kristen B. In addition, Joyce also stood at the basis of the small two horses Oronia, Atango du Feulard, Don Tango B and Haley B. The dam line of the colt Sandstorm promises a lot of goods, and the latter also applies to the sire McLaren. This son of Morricone Heinz won silver in last year's Pavo Cup with a 10 from guest rider Philip Hess. Later, McLaren proved to be unbeatable in the KWPN stallion competition, and after 3 victories he also took the final and thus the overall victory.